Welcome. Have a seat. I am happy to see you here again learning more about psychology. But if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Now let's start. The forebrain is the largest and most complex region of the brain and is responsible for a wide range of functions including learning, memory, decision-making, and emotion. It is made up of several structures, each of which plays a unique role in these processes. One of the key structures in the forebrain is the cerebral cortex, which is the outermost layer of the brain. The cerebral cortex is divided into four main regions: the frontal lobe, parietal lobe, temporal lobe, and occipital lobe. Each of these regions is responsible for different functions, such as movement, sensation, and perception. The frontal lobe is located at the front of the brain and is responsible for a range of functions including decision-making, problem-solving, and emotion. The parietal lobe is located towards the top and back of the brain and is responsible for processing sensory information such as touch, temperature, and pain. The temporal lobe is located on the sides of the brain and is involved in hearing and language processing. The occipital lobe is located at the back of the brain and is responsible for processing visual information. Another important structure in the forebrain is the thalamus, which acts as a relay station for information coming into and going out of the brain. The thalamus receives input from the senses and sends this information to the appropriate areas of the cerebral cortex for further processing. The hippocampus is another key structure in the forebrain that is involved in memory and spatial navigation. It is located in the medial temporal lobe and is shaped like a seahorse. The hippocampus is important for forming new memories and retrieving old ones and is also involved in spatial navigation and the ability to navigate through familiar environments. Finally, the basal ganglia are a group of structures located deep within the brain that are involved in the movement, emotion, and learning. The basal ganglia consist of several structures including the caudate nucleus, putamen, and globus pallidus, and are involved in a range of functions including the control of voluntary movement and the regulation of mood and emotion. In summary, the forebrain is a complex and important region of the brain that is responsible for a wide range of functions including learning, memory, decision-making, and emotion. It is made up of several structures including the cerebral cortex, thalamus, hippocampus, and basal ganglia, each of which plays a unique role in these processes. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions for future content, please don't hesitate to comment and reach out.